Hi everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon. We'll kickstart today's session. Nice to meet you all. I'm Mathisse, the director of customer engineering at Soda. So working on all things pre and post sales, and I will take you through today's webinar, which is focused on Soda's and Collibra's bi-directional integration. Before we look into it, I will first give a bit of an intro on Soda in itself, a couple minutes, and then we'll dive right in. So at Soda, we're really helping to bridge the gap between both the CDO and the CTO by delivering like an end-to-end data quality solution, which goes from business data observability towards shift left in pipeline testing for the data engineers. So what you can see on the slide here is we start with data observability. So that makes it easy to monitor data automatically for any type of anomalies. Think about things like row counts, schema drifts, freshness, etc., without having to manually configure every row. This gives us early visibility into potential unknown issues, but of course, observability alone isn't enough. You also need rule-based checks that actually capture the business context and ensure data meets a certain set of expectations. And when you combine the two, they form a complete system where observability is there to catch the unexpected and rules are there to enforce the expected. And when you go to the rules, that's definitely where the business users come in. So with Soda's no-code user interface, assisted with Soda AI, non-technical users can define and propose their own data quality rules. But these checks, they don't just live in isolation. They get validated by data engineers and become part of the data contract. And the data contract is essentially the agreed set of expectations between both the data producer and the data consumer on what good data looks like. And that's where we could create the bridge between business and engineering teams and ensuring there is a shared ownership of data quality. Governance teams, so this is coming very, very soon, can actually scale this much further. With Soda, policies are centrally defined and automatically suggested for adoption across your whole data stack. So Soda makes sure that they're continuously validated, and we also track its compliance, giving governance teams a way to measure, manage, and then also, of course, enforce these standards at scale. If we then go and look at the testing and observing pipeline, so for data engineers, we offer you with a Soda library, which integrates directly into pipeline tools like, for example, Airflow, Dexter, Azure Data Factory, notebooks, etc. And it allows you to validate the data at every stage, whether that's post ingestion, during transformation, or at the end when you publish the data into production. We can go and validate the data at that stage by enforcing the agreed data contract. And that ensures that the data flowing downstream consistently meets these expectations that are defined together with the business team so that no issues are caught and that the issues are caught and stopped early by implementing circuit breakers. If we even go much more upstream, so this is for all of our customers which have customer-facing applications. So on the application side, your software developers can even run Soda checks directly as part of your CI/CD workflows, like for example, GitHub Actions. These checks then validate against the same data contract, so any changes that actually might break your agreed expectations are flagged before actually reaching production. Of course, when issues do arise, Soda will not only just alert you, it will actually capture and route the failed records to the right owners with full diagnostics. So problems can be fixed at the source, whether that's in Salesforce, SAP, or Workday, or anything else. And this makes sure that we keep a remediation fast and accountable. Of course, finally, Soda provides you with the data quality dashboards and reporting data layers, surfacing trends and insights. But we are also able to integrate with the data catalog solutions to make this data directly available within the catalog solution. Like today, we will focus on Collibra. So Soda itself is an end-to-end data quality platform, and we focus on integrating very well into an existing ecosystem. So Soda itself is, of course, fully SOC 2 Type 2 compliant. We leverage a component called the Soda agent for scan execution purposes. This agent is Kubernetes based and can be deployed within your own private networks or on-premise if you prefer to keep a record level data within your environment. So if you look at the left of this diagram, you can see that Soda connects to a wide range of the data sources, which will include the most modern data warehouses. Think about Snowflake, BigQuery, Databricks, and others, as well as more legacy systems like Oracle, SQL Server, and so on. To enable you to shift left the data quality expectations, we offer you with a Soda library, which can be tightly integrated into orchestration tools, like I mentioned earlier, Airflow, Azure Data Factory, and so forth. So you can easily go and enforce the data quality checks at every stage of your pipeline. On the right side of this diagram, this mainly focuses around how Soda integrates into the tools that we see our customers using on a daily basis. So for example, for alerting, we can natively integrate with Slack, Microsoft Teams, etc. As well as to follow up on the remediation of issues, we can integrate with platforms like Jira or ServiceNow, so you can leverage your existing workflows there. Similarly, for the dashboarding, of course, inside the platform, you will know or you will see that we have out-of-the-box data quality dashboards, which are reporting on the health of your data and how that's evolving over time. But we also have a reporting data layer where you can connect into with your own preferred BI tool so that you can go and create custom quality dashboards specific to your organizational needs. And then last, we tightly integrate with data catalog solutions, like, for example, Collibra, and that's where we're going to focus on today. So here for the more architect profiles on the call, right? So of course we have an enterprise-ready platform architecture where, like I mentioned, Soda Cloud is a SaaS platform hosted on AWS, which is really the design to deliver scalable data quality management. And to execute scans, we have two key components. One, the Soda library, which enables programmatic data quality checks for more of the data engineering audience, as well as the Soda agent, which is in essence, or which allows you to automate scan execution based upon a certain time schedule or a trigger. Most importantly is that within Soda Cloud, we only store metadata and aggregated metrics. We never store record level data. So failed records are captured as diagnostics information, but they are stored within the diagnostics warehouse, which is deployed within the customer's network, ensuring that all record level data remains securely within your infrastructure. So then for today, like I said, we'll mainly focus on the bi-directional Collibra integration. So in essence, what we'll showcase today is how you can easily execute data quality rules in real time and how we allow you to bridge the business and engineering teams using Soda's no-code user interface. We'll also show you how we, in a bi-directional nature, share metadata between the two platforms, right? So, of course, for example, all of the quality information is brought right into Collibra, but as well as the other way around. Soda is leveraging some useful information, like, for example, the ownership of data, as well as certain metadata can be brought back into Soda and use that for your data quality workflows, like, for example, alerting and incident management. Also, let me have a quick look into the chat for any questions before we dive into the actual demo. So here I see a question, right? So what the differences are with Collibra data quality. So of course, Collibra has their native DDQ functionality as well as the ability to integrate with any external vendors like Soda. The difference is that the Collibra DQ is mainly focused on the profiling observability side of things, and not necessarily providing you with these end-to-end capabilities that Soda offers. We can definitely go deeper into that. So feel free to reach out, and we can definitely give you a detailed demo. There's also a question that for organizations that already use Collibra, what's the quickest win they can expect by adding Soda to their setup? The quickest win will definitely be into making sure that in a very rapid and scalable way, you get the insights into what the quality of your data looks like, as well as a very easy to use user interface for more of the business users to go and set up their own rules in a self-serve manner. So without further ado, let's dive in and show you what that actually looks like. So if we navigate to Collibra, like you can see here, first of all, I will show you that we have just ingested some relevant metadata into the Collibra catalog. So we have connected to Databricks and we have ingested some data, right? So you see a couple tables here where the main table we will focus on today is the finance loans table. With the Soda Collibra integration, you can then bring all of the checks that Soda is executing right into the Collibra platform. Like you see here, I have a particular rule book for my finance domain. If I go in, you will see that we have a bunch of checks here that are coming from the Soda platform. Right, so if we go in, you will be able to see that we share as much information as we can, right? So of course, what the actual name is of the role, the results, an easy link to navigate back into Soda, the description in case that's provided. So here we're checking that the customer ID must exist in the finance customers, the data set. You can then actually see the more technical logic as well as any custom metadata you have added to the check in Soda will be available right in Collibra, as well as the metrics giving you information around how many failed records that there were at C to run. The integration will also automatically link it to the relevant table or column which is available within your Collibra catalog, making sure that we tightly integrate with your lineage diagrams, where we will have a look at in a minute, as well as we'll make sure that the rules are classified by the related the dimension as well. So if we then go and look at, for example, this particular column here, you can see here that we added this new tab, Soda Data Quality, where you can see all of the rules which are particularly linked to this column, right? So you see one is actually passing, making sure that the foreign key relationship is correct. The other one where it's missing seems to be failing. Of course, like I said, we tightly integrate with the lineage diagrams as well. So if I make this a bit bigger, you will be able to see that here we're looking at the customer ID column where the actual quality score is 99.23%, right? And this is actually calculated from two rules, one in the classified by the validity dimension, which is the foreign key relationship check, as well as the not null check, where you can see one is passing and the other one is not. Of course, on the actual table, there are more checks there, right? So for example, whether the data is fresh, apparently not according to our standards, or whether the data set contains any record. So all of this information is directly ingested into the Collibra platform. So the red and yellow area that you see here is automatically generated by the Collibra catalog. The green area and the linking between the two is added by Soda's bi-directional integration. Now, let's of course have a look how you actually build up those rules. So if we navigate to Soda and we go and have a look at the same table, the finance loans table on Soda side, you will see a couple things here. So there's a couple ways within Soda to start monitoring the quality of this particular data set. The first thing is by using SODA's data observability capabilities. More specifically, we call it metrics monitoring, which is fully automated. So the only thing you need to do is you need to connect to your data warehouse, and then basically configure which data set you want to monitor. And from that moment onwards, Soda will start to automatically monitor certain key characteristics of your data using its proprietary anomaly detection algorithm. And we monitor things both on a data set and on a column level. So think about, like I said earlier, for example, how your schema is evolving over time, what the actual freshness looks like, maybe like from a completeness point of view, looking at the row count. But we can also monitor things on column level, where on column level, you can add things like here, we're actually monitoring for the duplicated values in the loan ID column, but I can easily add additional column monitors where we can track metrics like, for example, minimum, maximum, standard deviations, missing values, duplicated values, etc., etc. Once you do that, it will be automatically picked up by the anomaly detection algorithm of SODA. If you go into any of those, you will then see a bit what it looks like. So if we zoom out here, in this case, we have been monitoring the row count. We see that at a certain moment in time, so at the end of July, there was a big jump in amount of records. The algorithm automatically picked that up as a potential issue. Of course, here, right, you can provide feedback to the algorithm, actually saying, well, that this was an expected issue, maybe due to an external event, and then the algorithm will take that into account. Of course, when using the machine learning, there is always the risk of having false positives. So Sodat took a couple actions to reduce that risk. One is we have been building our own proprietary anomaly detection algorithm as part of the recent acquisition of an NEML we did, where we increased the accuracy of the models with more than 70% when we compared it to the market standards out there, like, for example, Facebook Propet. We also added the necessary flexibility for you to be able to tweak the sensitivity of the model, for example, right? So you can make sure that it becomes more sensitive or less sensitive, depending on your needs, as well as the alerts are actually fully opt-in. So Soda will automatically go and capture the metrics for you, but it will only alert you in case you have enabled or configured who needs to be alerted about what. That's much more on the data observability side. And like I said in the intro, data observability is not the only solution out there. You also need to have rule-based checks which contain the actual business context, and that translated into data quality rules, making sure that your data is completely fit for purpose. So if we go into the checks, you will see here that Soda leverages the concept of a data contract, which is in essence your single source of truth of all of the expectations that the data needs to meet for all of its usages within the business. And so here you see that we already have a couple roles added, both on the data set and certain column level checks, like, for example, that the loan ID needs to be in a UUID format. This data contract can actually be worked on by both more of the business user, the non-technical persona, as well as the more data engineer, the more technical persona. For the business user is what we'll focus on today. Like I said in the intro, we provide them with a fully no-code user interface. So if I go here into the no-code user interface, I can go and add additional checks, both on a data set or a column level. So for example, let's say that we have here the column loan product ID, and we want to actually make sure that the product ID which is referenced is coming from our reference the data set. So here as a business user, I could go and say, well, I want to add a new check, and I want to check that, well, it's actually the values, the loan product IDs are coming out of a reference data set. So here we can say product IDs are valid coming from a reference data set. Then I need to point to the reference data set. So here in my case, the reference data set is actually also onboarded in Soda, but it's called the dimension table for loan products. So I can copy paste the qualified name here easily, bring that in. and specify which column I want to use, which will be the same. And then I can maybe add some additional metadata information, right? So I can say, well, it actually belongs to the data quality dimension validity. This information is then also populated back into Collibra, as you saw. I can go and change the thresholding, apply a filter if I only want to focus on a particular subset. And then as a business user, you will be able to create a request to have this check added. Of course, with certain permissions, right? People will not be able to make changes directly into the contract. A business user will very often actually make a proposal. So here we can go into creating a request where we say add reference check for product IDs. I can provide some more information. We'll keep it simple for the demo. And once I save this proposal will actually be sent to the relevant dataset owners of this particular finance loans table, which in this case, for the sake of the demo, is myself. But these dataset owners are also synced from the Collibra catalog, which I will show you in a minute. Here in this case, the dataset owner will get notified. They will be asked to review the request. They can see here that a certain check is added. If they're a bit more technical, they can also go and have a look at the code view, where you will then see that, well, if we go full screen, that a certain check has been added here, which is actually the reference check we just worked on. Then, of course, you can easily go back, right? So you can add some clarification questions. You can work on this check together. And then at some point, we'll actually say, well, this looks good. We're going to publish this new version of the contract. And then we're going to close the request saying that this has actually been merged. So this is a bit how you add checks on top of your data within Soda to make it very easy to monitor for its quality. Feel free to definitely reach out to have a much more detailed demo, but I wanted to cover the basics today. Before we go and look into the bi-directional nature, I will go and have a look at the questions in the chat. So there is a question around, can Sol actually use the profiling results which are coming from Collibra? So right now, that's not part of our integration. So Soda is directly connected to your data and has the ability to do profiling as well, which can be used then for example, automated check suggestions at etc. There's also a question, how does the bidirectional integration between Soda and Collibra reduces manual effort for data teams? So I will actually show that in a minute, so I will park at that question for now. I see there is a question, can the Collibra quality tab be used, and does it offer all functionalities provided by the Collibra DQ integration? So yes, right? So whenever So Soda will basically collect the necessary metrics to populate that quality dashboard inside Collibra, right? So the amount of failing records, passing records, the passing fraction, and so forth. And that can then be nicely visualized inside Collibra as well, like it would look like with the native functionality of Collibra. And then there's a question around the operating model used in Collibra. So that's actually a very good question. If I go back, and I go back to the rulebook, the integration is made in a very flexible way, so we can accommodate the different customers' operating models. So that means here in this case, you can see that I have been using the asset type data quality metric. So all asset types, attribute types, and relation types that are being used as part of the integration can be fully customized according to your particular operating model. See, there is a follow-up question regarding the profiling, whether it's on the roadmap I have that in a bi-directional setup. So that's definitely something we would love to explore. We haven't had any existing customer specifically asking for that. So definitely reach out. I would love to learn more around the use case, and then we can definitely pick that up. Now, if we go and look a bit at the at the bidirectional nature. Right now, we have mainly been focused around, okay, you leverage SODA as your data quality solution, right, where you have both more of the observability capabilities as well as the rule-based capabilities and how these results are populated into the Collibra catalog. So as a summary, all of the quality information is pushed into the Collibra catalog and automatically linked to the data which is available in your Collibra catalog for traceability purposes. Now, the other way around, we focus mainly on two areas. One is, of course, Collibra is very often used as a central tool to document the ownership of your data, as well as, of course, your central repository for any type of metadata. Both of these can be brought back to SODA. So if we go and look here at our finance loans table inside Collibra, first of all, you will see if I navigate to the responsibilities tab that I assigned myself as being the owner. So here as well, either the owner field or maybe business steward, technical steward, depending on the operating model you use, can directly be synced back to SODA. I will show you the results in a bit, as well as any custom attributes that you have in Collibra that you actually want to leverage inside SODA, for example, for reporting purposes or for your alert workflows can be synced as well. So here you see, for example, that I specified that all of the rules which are applied on this finance loans table need to end up in the finance rule book, as well as that this table is linked to our finance data domain. All of this information is also brought directly back into SODA. So if you go here, you will see that I am being assigned as the owner of the table in SODA as well, which is directly coming from Collibra. And you can see these two metadata attributes here as well. Why is this important? And this is related to the question around how can you reduce manual effort between the data teams by leveraging the bidirectional integration. For example, for the ownership, making sure that is shared to drastically increase the efficiency in certain data quality workflows, like, for example, the alert workflow. So within SODA, we work with the concept of a notification role. A notification role allows you to specify who needs to get alerted about what. So for example, I can set up a new role and actually say, okay, for all checks that are failing or maybe warning and failing alerts, they can actually be sent to a particular user, maybe a particular Teams channel, Slack channel, webhook, but as well as to a particular role, like you see here, the dataset owner. The users which are behind this role are directly synchronized from Collibra. So if I am assigned as the owner in Collibra, then I can, or I will automatically be picked up in SODA and be alerted for these type of checks. Same thing goes for the metadata which is shared. Here you see that we're working on all checks, but you can actually go and filter to specific checks based upon this metadata coming from Collibra as well. So, for example, we had the data domain attribute in Collibra that I can use here directly in SODA, and I can say, okay, for all checks which are applied on a table, which in Collibra is linked to the finance data domain, they actually need to be sent, they actually need to be sent to a particular channel. So that could be to the dataset owners. Like I said, that could also be to a particular Teams or Slack channel as well. So that's actually how you can leverage that information directly within the SODA platform. So that's a quick overview, mainly what the bidirectional integration offers. Let me have a look at any questions, and feel free to post them into the chat. I will take them one by one. So there's a question around how the bidirectional integration is basically developed. Is it using APIs or native extensions in both applications? So the integration is built upon both the REST APIs of SODA and Collibra, and is basically packaged as part of an integration package which can easily be deployed in conjunction with the SODA agent. So that's how it works. There's another question around for any quality checks or profiling tasks. Is it necessary to import the data into Soda solution, or is all required processing always performed using the data source engine without the need to share any data? So that's a very good question. So in general, and I can actually answer that question here by opening up the diagram again. So how it works, Soda always uses a push-down architecture, meaning there will never be the need to export your data and bring it into Soda's platform for processing purposes. Soda will always, whenever checks are written here in Soda Cloud, they actually get by the agent and by the checks engine, they get translated into optimized SQL statements. What do I mean with optimized? We make sure that we optimize for compute and performance by combining multiple checks into the most minimal amount of SQL queries. So not one check will result into one SQL query. This happens by the Soda agent and is sent directly into the data sources where we leverage the compute engine of your warehouse where these SQL statements get executed, which allows us to validate the data quality rules and give you insights into the results. The results will contain both the actual metric, right? So the rule is passing because the amount of missing values is, for example, let's say 5%. But you will also get access to the actual set of failing records, which are failing certain conditions. These records are not exposed to Soda. They're actually stored in a diagnostics warehouse, which is hosted on your side, which gives you the direct access to those records for root cause analysis purposes, but without exposing that sensitive information to the cloud. There is a question as well around what the actual sync frequency is of the integration. So that is actually configurable as part of the integration. You will see if I navigate back to Collibra that we also keep track of that, right? So if I go to a check here, you will see that there is an attribute here, last sync date, right? So the integration has run the last time today. So you can fully configure that, what the the sync frequency between the two systems should be as part of the configuration. There is also a question, how customizable are the Soda check attributes when syncing with Collibra? So that's a very good question as well. It's actually fully customizable. So within Soda, you will see that we also have the concept of attributes, where in essence you can go and create your own custom attributes depending on your specific needs, right? These attributes, any that you create here, can then actually be mapped to a specific attribute type in Collibra. So you basically create a mapping as part of the integration configuration, which is a one-time action, and then both platforms will share the metadata accordingly. So it's fully customizable. Then there is a question from Matthew. Can Soda and its AI suggest where an existing rule in another data set can be reused where the same data is encountered elsewhere? So that's a good question. Right now, that's not a capability of the Soda AI feature. Right now, we're mainly focused on being able to, as you saw earlier, I have been using the no-code user interface to add checks, but we also have the Soda AI, which allows you to do that fully based upon the natural language. That's mainly where the focus is, as well as the ability to give suggestions based upon how the data looks. It will help you to more quickly set up the right rules. So I think I've covered all questions. If there are no more questions, I would love to thank you to attend today's session. If you have any more questions or you want to have a deeper look, definitely book a demo with our team. You can see the URL on the screen, or you can quickly scan the QR code. and we would love to connect with you all. So thanks for attending, and enjoy the rest of the day.